Okay, so I just got up. Little heater's been running on it. I did start a fire. Got down to about 52 last night. Running the little heater, diesel heater. Pardon the mess. Still running. Tie these wires up today. So we got down to 52 below zero. 52 above. So it got down to 52 degrees running the little diesel heater, 12 volts off of our batteries. Which sounds cold, but when you consider the fire burned out and it's 20 below zero outside. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Sun's just starting to come up. 20 below zero. I'd say the little heater worked good.